Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept an invitation from your partner on the Honeydue application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have just downloaded the Honeydue application on your device, then when you open it up, you will see the Create New Account, as well as the Accept Invitation and Login button. If your partner has already sent you an invite, you can tap on Accept Invitation, and you will be asked to enter your email address. You can simply type in your respective email address that your partner has used while sending you the invite, and then tap on Confirm. Now, alternatively, you can also check your inbox, and you will see the Download button, by which you can install the Honeydue application and using the same email address that you have received the invitation in. Once you proceed forward with your email, tap on the Confirm button, and now you will once again be asked to check your inbox. Just open up the application, and you will get your sign-up token. Tap on the Sign Up button or proceed forward with the given code, and now your account has successfully been signed up and you have been linked with your partner's account right away. You can now personalize your profile, add a profile picture if you wish, and finally you will see the Accept button by which you can accept your invitation. You can now go into the app once your invitation has been accepted, and now you can see all of your transactions that you share with your partner within the balances page, and you can get in track with your budget together quite easily. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to accept your partner's invitation and plan your finances together on the Honeydue application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.